What if I told you there's an Asia Pacific market where the direct channel booking conversion rate is well below the average of nearby APAC destinations, but yet it has some of the best rate parity of any destination in the group? Sounds a bit like a paradox, right? Well, that's exactly what's happening in Taiwan, and today on Lighthouse Quick Takes, we are going to unpack it. We pulled data from Lighthouse's Bench Direct platform from the past 3 months for the 8 major APAC destinations you see on your screen, and the conversion rates tell a really interesting story. At the top, Shanghai is crushing it at 4.7%, nearly double the 2.4% average of these 8 markets. Tokyo is pretty solid at 2.8%, and Jakarta comes in at 2.7%. These are markets that are doing something right on their direct channel. But then look at the bottom of the list, Taiwan at 1.6%, the lowest conversion rate of all 8 markets. Compare that to Shanghai, and Shanghai's conversion rate is almost 3 times that of Taiwan. 3 times! That is not a rounding error. That is a fundamental difference in their direct channel. So what's going on? Let's take a look at Taiwan a bit closer. The average length of stay is just 1.9 nights, the shortest of the group, which averages about 2.8 days. The booking window is 36 days for Taiwan, which is about a week shorter than the average of nearly 43 days. So we are looking at a short stay, short lead time market. These are travelers making quick decisions for quick trips, and if your booking engine isn't optimized for that kind of behavior, you're losing them. And here's the thing that makes this so exciting from an opportunity standpoint. Taiwan's rate parity is actually pretty solid, just 12.5% disparity frequency, which is the 3rd lowest in the group. So OTAs aren't massively undercutting the direct rate. The rate parity is there. The missing piece is the conversion experience itself. And that traveler profile starts to explain the paradox. Think about it. Taiwan's 36-day booking window and 1.9 night average stay paint a picture of a quick trip, mobile-first traveler making fast decisions. Now, for context, Shanghai's travelers book an average of 48 days out, and OTAs undercut them only 6.7% of the time. That's more of a plan-ahead traveler, and with the minimal disparity frequency, that is why Shanghai converts at 4.7%. Now, Taiwan's traveler is different. A shorter decision window and a stay that's barely 2 nights, the profile aligns more with a higher likelihood of a traveler that's browsing on their phone and comparing options quickly. And in that scenario, even a slightly clunky booking engine or a checkout page that isn't fully optimized can be enough to send them to an OTA instead. The intent is there, and then the experience needs to close the deal. So, the takeaway here is that if you're a hotelier in Taiwan, your priority should be conversion rate optimization. A/B test your booking engine. Simplify the checkout. Make sure your site is fully optimized for the traveler profile. Tools like Lighthouse Direct use AI-powered predictive personalization to assess each visitor's intent in real time and ensure the right offer is seamlessly delivered to the right guest. Because when your rate parity is already competitive and your conversion rate is sitting at 1.6%, from my vantage point, the ROI on improving that direct booking experience dwarfs almost anything else you could spend your marketing dollars on. Great spending a few minutes with you all today. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Blake Reiter, and we will be back next week with another Lighthouse Quick Take.